My mommy told I will do a video, so for some reason my rabbit is laying on its side. Look, it, it's not dead, but it's laying on its side. Look at it.
Okay. And this other rabbit also.
But this one is in a weirder position. It's like a wormy. Wormy. I'm sleeping. Wormy.
So Ayush, please give it to me. This young man, the son of mine, was so keen to start the video, but as you can see, this little guy he's sleeping like this, and I hope it is fine because it's a little. I've not seen a rabbit sleep like this, but something tells me it's not fine actually. I
just
feel.
pushed it over and it's sleeping.
And this little guy is, like I said, all my animals like to do yoga because it's nice to be multi-talented, and this little rabbit here is, but it's adorable watching them. But now I've realized that keeping chickens is more, you really feel you're doing something nice, and it's nice to have a little bit of sound from an animal, right? I mean, these rabbits are completely silent, so now I'm wondering why they're not making.
Muted.
Yeah, so
Muted.
muted, correct, no? So now after keeping chickens, we want little sound at least, no? Don't you feel? At least I feel little sound, like little. Yeah, and this is Ayush, and this video is really going nowhere. But my kid was keen to start the video, so anytime something new, I feel it's important to try it out. So take a look at these rabbits. I think they are super special. So on that note, thanks.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like the video and hit the bell button to get notifications if we put any more videos.
Okay, so thanks for watching, people.